Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to resize your photo in Pixlr. It's quite simple. There's literally an option that will allow you to resize. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Let's tap into the Pixlr app and let's say I want to resize this photo, right? So I have already edited and stuff, so let's tap in done. And here there's an option that says resize. Let's tap in there, and here you can type in your measurement, like it's 676 200. Let's do it 1200, so let's do it like 800 by 14. So yeah, let's do it 800 to it's like a length and breadth. So yeah, I guess this is not possible since my image is already like smaller, so 80 into 142 is okay, I guess, and it's letting me save the image. So this once you're satisfied with the measurement, all you have to do is hit that save button. It is save image, save to camera roll. Let's hit OK, and there we go. This is how we resize in Pixlr, and as you can go back and see the changes, it has cut out a little bit on like the breadth. So this is it. That's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.